New information just coming in from the Hurricane Center, new track and also intensity forecast for this. What is still very disorganized, all of the weather is to the east and to the south of the center of circulation, which would be off the northwestern tip of Cuba over some open water. So it is still expected to become a tropical depression or a storm, but it's running out of room. It'll make landfall by tomorrow afternoon and then race across the state after that. As I said, a depression or a storm, or maybe not even upgraded at that point, and then pushes up the east coast. It doesn't really matter, to be honest with you, because it still means heavy rainfall and a flood threat for us overnight and into Saturday. Looks like early Saturday at this point. That center, as I said, is right here. Think about this. All of the weather is on the eastern side of this. It's sunny just a few miles to the west of that center of potential tropical cyclone number 1. And the rains continue spreading from the south toward the north. Some of the heavier rains down, the stronger bands working through the Keys, Key West. More heavy rainfall coming off Cuba, really tapping into some very warm water, very tropical air that'll push in tonight. And what we're going to notice here is the rains pick up and the intensity of that rain. Real tropical downpours setting up tonight and overnight. I think the peak winds and rain will be between about 3 a.m. and into 9 a.m. tomorrow. There's a tropical storm warning in effect for all of South Florida. There's also a flood watch in effect into Sunday morning, with some spots seeing upwards of 7 and 8 inches of rain total in the next 48 hours. Now, Vipercast model really pushing this through quickly and keeping the rain ahead of that center, rolling off the coastline on Saturday afternoon and setting up for some sunshine. By this time tomorrow, we may be sunny almost everywhere in our area, and by Sunday, drier air pushes in and we're looking at sunshine to end the weekend. So it's just an increase in the intensity and the rates, the rain rates per hour for the rain into the evening. Palm Beach County looking at about 4 to 8 inches of rain, gusts to 30 and 40 miles an hour. That's why we have that tropical storm warning in effect. For Martin County, looking at about 4 to 6 inches of rain, still very strong wind gusts. I expect those strongest winds, the gustier winds, will be around sunrise through 9, 10 in the morning. St. Lucie County, about 3 to 5 inches of rain. Locally, higher amounts are possible. I will say some of the latest computer model trends, though, are trending a little down for total rainfall on the Treasure Coast, but still significant and still a flooding threat. There's a look at Indian River County with the peak winds and rain Saturday morning, and a similar situation for Okeechobee County late overnight and early tomorrow morning. There's one more look at the radar with all of that rainfall and more to come as it works in during the evening hours. So we have some threats here. We have flood watch, tropical storm warning, worse weather overnight and into sunrise tomorrow. And there is also an isolated tornado threat. We're going to be watching that closely.